In this video, we are going to introduce a fully transistor-based alert circuit which can produce many nice alarms for you only by setting some couple of jumpers like these and without using any IC, by using only 7 simple NPN PNP transistors. Okay, let's go. Actually, usage of these alarm circuits are pretty different and up to you. You can use it for home appliances like refrigerator door or a microwave door alert or washing machines and so on. As you can see it over here, they are pretty simple, only using 7 simple transistors NPN PNP. It includes a half a watt amplifier, which you can see it over here. These transistors are actually creating the amplifier of the circuit, which transfers the power to the speaker. But you can use every kind of second-hand speakers for the circuit. Simply, you can use every size of speakers, even if it's stored, even if it's not working properly for the human voice and you were about to throw it away, but you can use it for this simple alert circuit. Anyway, the dimensions of this circuit is 57.4 millimeters and as height and 69 millimeters as wide. It is not big that much. It is only a 1-layer circuit. I made 8 of them working pretty well. And I should suggest that you can use a 4 ohms of a speaker to 50 ohm. This one is a 51. I'm not sure if, unfortunately the wire is discreet. I will repair it. Okay, I repaired the disconnected wire of this loudspeaker and it's ready. And I just broke this piece of plastic which was connected over there. Anyway, not important that much. It will work. And we are able to connect different loudspeakers from 4 ohm to 50 ohm. This one, I was talking about this one. This one is a 50 ohm and 0.3 watt. This is the power of this loudspeaker. And also I got another one, as you can see it over here. I connected the connector and it's ready for connecting to my alarm circuit. This one is a 4 ohm with 8 watt of power. Of course, for my circuit, my alarm circuit, this power is very high. We don't need this one, and you don't need such a speaker. Only a speaker like this one is pretty enough, because the whole circuit is just able to create half of watt of power at the maximum point. Anyway, let's turn it on and listen to the alarms of my alarm circuit. My interesting one is this one. I love this one. This is a great alarm for different locations, industrials, home appliances, and more. They can use this one. And I'm gonna write down the musics that and alarms that this simple circuit can produce. This one was the first one, right? Let's choose another one. I'm gonna change it. This is the second one. Let's back to the previous. This is another one. How about this one? Doesn't change that much. This is the fourth one. Let's remove the white jumper. And this one is the fifth. This one is usually for ambulances and police cops' cars and so on. You can change tone a bit. This is the sixth one. Seven one. I think this could be the eighth one. What is your idea? Do you see that? This is the ninth one. Let's try another. Number 10. Let's try another one. It's a bit faster, not that much difference. another jumper. This could be the 11 one. Do you hear that? Let's try another one. This is the 12th one. We can create more like tones by changing this one. This is the constant tone if you want to use that. This can be the 13 one. I like this one too. Also this is great. This can be 14 one because it's a little bit lower than the previous. So as you can see over here, you can change the alarm and the tone and control that by 8 simple jumpers with a whole transistor circuit. It's only containing 7 simple transistors, 1 PNP, and others are all 6 NPN transistors, and it can create a perfect alarm tone for you for different usages. A little bit longer. So we could get 14 different songs and actually alerts from a simple circuit, and I think that's pretty enough and it's pretty useful for different industries, different appliances. There's only one point that I should suggest, that let me turn it off. The amplifier part of this circuit, hopefully you can see that over here. As you can see it over here, there is a simple diode over here turned around the transistor. You should do this for the amplifier part of this circuit to protect it from the excessive temperatures and protect it from burning down. Do you see that? It is the same pin of the same 1N4148 simple diode, a American simple diode. This diode pin should turn around this transistor and this transistor to protect it against the over temperatures. I made 8 of these. This is working pretty well, and I will design a SMD version of this circuit as soon as possible. We'll be broadcasting my website, and I think this one is enough. Of course, some people may need the SMD version of this. I will design the SMD version too. Thank you for watching. Check my website out for this circuit, ccn-electronic.ir. Thank you.